Jai Bholenath. Coronavirus will hover like a threat in our lives this year. According to astrology, this 2020 is bad for the entire macrocosm. We should take care to avoid the coronavirus. By the grace of Bholenath ji, you are going to give some information through your channel. If you like it, then subscribe, share, comment so that this information reaches everyone. Issue in the public interest by the government. Today we will learn how to go to the market. First of all, cover the nose mouth with a mask or cloth. Wear the same plastic slippers you have to kept only for going out or coming. To bring the goods, keep a plastic bucket and a sanitizer with 70% alcohol. Now get out of the house. Don't touch anything unnecessary outside. Keep a distance of 6 feet in the market. And yes, sanitize the keyboard of the ATM before using the ATM. After withdrawing money, also sanitize the card. Put the purchased item in the bucket and return home. The risk of coronavirus is not averted, so we will have to learn new rules to know the market. Learn to live with cautionary habits. We'll adopt new rules to beat corona every day. Issue in the public interest by the government of Uttar Pradesh. Today we will learn to use the lift or stairs. Try to go alone in the lift. Always keep some clean pieces of paper near you. Before pressing the lift button, wrap some pieces of paper in your finger. Now press the lift button with the same finger. Put the paper wrapped on the finger in the dustbin as soon as you exit the lift. If possible, use the stair instead of the lift and don't touch the railings of the stairs. Yes, the risk of coronavirus is not averted. That is why we have to learn new rules about the use elevators and stairs. Learn to live with the habits of caution. We'll adopt new rules to beat corona everyday. Issue in the public interested by the government of Uttar Pradesh. Today we will learn how to get inside the house after coming from outside. Don't touch the door of the house. Call someone from inside the house to open the door. Keep all the goods brought from outside near the door or in a different place. Now go straight to the bathroom, wash hands and mouth with soap for 20 seconds. If you have gone to a crowded place, then dip the clothes in the detergent solution and take a bath and wash the outside slippers with soap. The danger of coronavirus is not averted, so we will have to learn new rules to enter the house from outside. Learn to live with caution habits. Will adopt new rules to beat corona every day. Today we will learn how to pay in the market. Always try to make payment from payment app like Bhim app, Google Pay, Paytm or your bank app. If you give cash to the shopkeeper, give as much open money as possible. Don't take open notes or coins from the shopkeeper. They may contain viruses. If you have to take them, keep them in your hand, and after reaching home, keep the paper notes on the table and do some hot ironing on it. Wash the coins with a hand sanitizer or soap and water with 70% alcohol and then wash your hands with soap. Yes, the risk of coronavirus is not averted, so we have to learn new rules of market transaction. Learn to live with cautionary habits. Will adopt the new rules to beat corona every day. Issue in the public interest by the government of Uttar Pradesh. The government is constantly trying to boost the coronavirus epidemic that is boosting the Indian economy. He said to bring India back on the path of rapid development, 5 things are very important to build a self-reliant India. These 5 things: number 1, intention; number 2, inclusion; number 3, investment; number 4, infrastructure; number 5, इनोवेशन। अंत में आपके लिए और हमारे लिए एक सीख: कोरोना मरीजों से जो भी घृणा कर रहे हैं लोग, वे सभी काम अति घिनौना कर रहे हैं। अगर आ गए चपेट में वे भी एक दिन, तो क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे वे जो ऐसा कर रहे हैं। सर्वा बाधा प्रजमनम त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यं मस्मद्वैरे विनाशनम्। सर्वबाधाप्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्य अखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यमस्मद्वैरी विनाशनम्।